Hello everyone. Okay, chalo.
No, we're not there. Yeah, give it a minute. Just do this to sort of.
Yeah. Like I was not seeing the timer, so I thought you are not using it today.
Not yet. All right. Hello again, and welcome everybody. So we're almost at the home stretch for our JavaScript AI Build-a-Thon, and we have a weekend that we really want to make the most of this weekend. So we're here to help unblock anything and remove any doubts. But today we're going to introduce Quest 8. Ariane, I turn it over to you.
Okay, thank you, Philippa. So now we'll be saying about Quest 8. So comparing to the other quest which we have done from Quest 1 to Quest 7, this one is quite easier. I don't have the README with me right now, but I know whatever you need to do in this. So I will be briefing it and telling you how you can do it and what you have to do in it. So as you can see, Quest 8 is basically automating your code reviews with the help of GenAIScript. So in this particular quest, you will be needing this particular extension of VS Code, which is called GenAIScript. You will get the link of the same in your VS Code, sorry, your GitHub repo in the README file. Then you can directly go from there and download it in your VS Code, or you can just go in the left pane of your VS Code and search in the extension menu for this particular extension. It will be a yellow colored box. Inside it will be written JS or something. Then you have to install it. After installing it, what you have to do is basically automate your code reviews. So what it means is, whatever code suppose you have written in JavaScript or any other languages, what this application will be doing is it will be giving you some kind of responses like how have you done, or how is the code, how you have well modulated it, or what other things you have done it basically. So accordingly you will be getting many things. So this will be for guiding you like a mentor or something, you can say. It will be implemented with the use of gen AI, which is generative AI. So what is generative AI? I will be giving you a brief about it. Generative AI basically means the information which is not there on the internet, but it can predict some kind of patterns or some kind of answers with the knowledge it have feeded in its LLM or the backend services and all. So it will be giving you answers on that basis, which are basically new for the particular user, generated for the particular user. So based on your code, whatever you have written in that particular file, you have to use it. So after installing that extension, just click on that extension icon. It will come on the left pane of your VS code. You have to click upon that, and there you will be seeing many types of models which you want to use. So suppose in this we were advised to use ChatGPT 4.0. You can also use 4.1 or mini or whatever models you want to use, you have subscription with. You can probably use that, and after implementing that you have to add it. Then it will be basically added to your particular root directory project. Then after that you have to create a JS file which will be automating all of this for your code reviews with the help of that particular GenAI script, which will be given by the readme file and the extension which we have, that GenAI script. Then when you will write code there and copy paste the code which you have, then you will be given and a particular icon in the top above, you can say. You have to just click upon that and fill whatever requirements it basically desires from you, and then just click like run gen AI script. You can choose the drop down menu. If you're not getting direct extension, you can basically go to the drop down menu of the play icon which is there in the VS code. and use that drop down icon, and after that you can click on run GenAI script for the particular code you want to review. Then after that it will be taking a bit of time. Then in particular extension page it will be showing you like how much resources you are using, and how is your code how is your code behaving. Then you can simply play with it, like change your code, add more function, add more modularity, or make it prettier, make it basically in the official syntax format, you can say. Then if you will do all of that, you will get better results, like you are improving bit by bit. So by this can help you, this GenAI script. So this was all for this quest. After you have done this, you can simply get push your this file, basically the JS file which you have created for the review. Then after you will pushing it, then it will take its time 15 to 20 seconds. Then you will be redirected to the ninth one. So these were the quests mainly for all the 8 quests which we have right now. In ninth one, it's totally upon you what you wanna make, which template you wanna make. The guide is already in the readme of the ninth one when we'll be going there. So that's totally upon you. That's not a thing like you have to push again or anything. So that's all. This was the major part of our Build-a-Thon hackathon. So I hope you have learned this something. And if you have any doubts, you can ask to us. We are happy to help.
Excellent. And I think
Your
that,
audio.
yeah, I just had to unmute. It's excellent. And I think that we're already seeing from like all the participants around the world that people are starting to submit their ninth project. So people are getting done. There's other people who are just getting started, and that's okay. Wherever you are, we want to help you. To everybody who's registered, we just sent out a leaderboard today, so it's just Excel file uh, that I invited everybody to put in your check. Just check off the boxes of where you're at, so we can sort of start to track everybody, and then we'll start to rank. And we want to support. And there's a WhatsApp group link in there. If you just want to add your phone number in there, we can put you into the WhatsApp group. There's places for you to add your LinkedIn or other social profiles so that you guys can connect with each other and expand your network of developers and AI enthusiasts. So it's designed to be a place for you to, yeah, connect, to share, and so we can really rank and celebrate those who are finishing, and we can also see kind of who's stuck and how we might be able to help you more. So that's there for everybody. So our main goal is to just keep you moving and get as many of you across the finish line as we can.
Yeah, we want all of you to finish it.
That's our idea. It's our ideal is everybody who signs up gets completed. We know that's not always a perfect world, but I think that the other thing to keep in mind is that they're using June 30th as their closing celebration, the closing ceremony. And so they do want to acknowledge, and this is kind of at the Microsoft level, as many people who can get it done by Monday, but you'll still have access to it. So keep going. So even if you do need more time past Monday, just keep going. Once you get the momentum, it'll lead you. And we want to have some of our own sort of prizes, but we can only do that with a minimum amount of participation. So we're looking for at least 20 people to complete so that we can go to another round of opportunities and prizes. So, but it doesn't make sense to have our own judging unless we kind of have a group to judge. So, we encourage everybody to, just keep going, and we'll find. And I know that Microsoft also has its own kind of rewards in mind. So obviously, there's the completion badge, but I know that they're looking to kind of again review the magic in this is in quest 9 because that's what you do, that's sort of your original idea. So that's really what they're looking at. They want to sort of acknowledge the best presentations and things that sort of have a good application of an innovative use of the AI and what you've learned. Do you want to add to that, Ariane, about how
Yeah, yeah,
quest 9?
sure. In quest 9, basically, you will be given many templates one will be with suppose LangChain, one will be with RAG, one will be with you can say Azure Search, one will be with cognitive services. Like whatever services Azure provides, there will be templates like this. Like from the quest which you have learned many technologies like Azure AI Foundry, GenAI, RAG, LangChain, AI agent, MCP server, and many things. So like that, you will be having a separate template for MCP, for LangChain, for RAG, for Azure AI search, and other things. So which one intrigues you the most, interests you the most, you can choose that one. And firstly, you have to formulate a problem, like on what thing you want to work, how you will be making it, what technologies we will be using, what resources you will be using from Azure, and whatever other things you have to plan that. So it will take around 1 to 2 days. Like I am also on the ninth one right now, I am making it from fast one day, but some errors and bugs are there. It's about to complete, I have to deploy it. So it will take time. Ninth one is not necessary to do from their side, or you have to push and so like yeah I have done it, but you have to done it, do it on your own, like whatever your idea is, then you have to submit in the main repo by creating a issue in the GitHub main repository of the hackathon. So it's totally upon you. Once you reach there, you should read the readme file which is given. Then you will get to know like what you can make, what are the resources available, and how you should formulate and how you should submit. So since it's a session for the quest 8, I guess these much information it's good for quest 9. We can't tell you much in the quest 9 also because it's totally upon you. We helped you with these things since these were some things described by them. We can help you in that, but this is totally your part, the question 9. We can't help you in anything, but sure, if you are facing any issues, error, or facing difficulties in selecting the template required for your project, we can help you with that. But you have to make it on your own, collect some ideas from your friends or yourself, or use some AI, but it should be unique, solving some kind of problem in whatever area you want. So think like that, and it will be easier.
I love that. I'm excited to get there. So this is good. So I'll be working through today, moving myself forward. I'm still early in my early days. I'm just starting four. Thank you so much. I've got my AI Foundry situated, so I can move on. And again, we're here to sort of not only for each other but for all of you to remove doubts and unblock problems as they come up. So definitely, the WhatsApp group is a really great resource for that. So use that. And everybody again got the leaderboard sent to them this morning. So that's just another point. Now we can start tracking where everybody is, and it's okay wherever you are. We just want to know where that is so that we can, like I said, help you along. So that's what that's there for, and we'll start to rank. For 1 minute, when I set up the leaderboard, I was number one because I put in my three. Then I knew that Ariane, you're way ahead of me, so I filled in yours, and then suddenly I dropped down to number two in rank. So come play, come show us where you know where you are in your journey, and we'll see kind of how we can collectively move, how it comes together, not just individually, but as our whole group. Because we've got, you'll see on the leaderboard, there's 85 of us.
Yeah,
But we're really like, we'd like everybody, but our minimum goal is 20. We want 20 people to cross the finish line, 20 people to complete quest 9. So that's our ask of you.
yeah. We are ready to help you. You just have to put a message in any of the platform, be it Discord, Teachable, or WhatsApp. We'll assist you. We will make sure that you complete at least some of the quest, if not all, being in the timeline. Just
Yep.
get started. You just have to do a message if you are not able to getting started or need any help on a particular meet or anything. We are there, but you have to message us, like by which we will be knowing like yeah you wanna do. Some people are messaging us right now like they are new, we wanna complete it, so we are helping them out. So you have to reach out. That's the basic thing if you're not able to start.
Yeah, and I know we've had a couple people join us here in past sessions. If there's anything that we can unblock here, obviously that's what we're here to do. But I think we can wrap it up for today. I don't see anything in the chat, so I'm going to just go ahead and say thank you. And just as an aside, and on this channel, We're having a big cybersecurity event today. And actually, Ariane, I'll actually kind of chat with you and others about it. We've decided to do this second. We've had so much interest in this one. We're going to do a second one, and we're going to do it on at the end of July. And so that I think is the perfect time because we can really plan for it and promote it and get because there's a lot of interest from our Microsoft Learn student ambassador community, and we can make it sort of an India US friendly time when we do it. Because the one we're doing this weekend is in the middle of your night, so we won't do that. But we've got 12 speakers over 6 hours of just all things cybersecurity. So that's where I'll be on Saturday. And then Sunday we'll be back here, and Monday we'll be back here, and that kind of wraps us up for our official schedule of YouTube. And I think at that point we can pop back on here if there's a need. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and just use our other communication channels. Though I think it would be really nice to sort of profile some of those final projects once we get that in, and that will be sort of part of that kind of competition phase. But we need all of your participation to make that part possible.
Yeah. Just connect with us on LinkedIn, Instagram, or wherever you want. We will be also seeing whatever future opportunities we bring for you. You can send a connection request, follow request, or whatever. If you will be connected, you will be connected not only with us, with our community which we are building. So you will be a member for the same. So it's a good deed. You should be a part of it. Just get into it, and you have done the biggest part, doing the registration and taking on the step. Like, yeah, yeah, I wanna do it. I will do it. I wanna learn, use my summers and all. If you have holiday, use my holiday and all. So just you have to push you a bit hard and get started. Like we have so many members. I don't know why you are not responding, or not completing, or not informing us like you have done it. So whatever you have done, if you will not show in public, learn in public, that it will not be beneficial for you also. You will be not able to get job offers. Like many recruiters also see your LinkedIn. They can basically see, yeah, this guy have done some work in this field, I want to recruit in this field. They can directly DM you or comment on your post. Or if you apply somewhere with your resume or your LinkedIn, they will see over the years, like what you have done this particular month or that particular month. If you keep updating in on your socials like LinkedIn or X, wherever you would feel okay, it will be also beneficial for you as well. Just be active wherever you are, because in today's world, people will know you if you have done something and shown in the public. So just get started and get it done. We are here to help you. So just get started.
Yes. So we
Yes.
want to hear from you. Let us know where you're at. I almost feel like adding a column to our leaderboard just is like not started yet. And that's okay. Just because we can, like I said, if you have extra questions about setting up the VS Code, or even if you're brand new to GitHub, just let us know. We'll get you there. It's not that hard, but it does take some focused attention. So whatever you are, just let us know, and we'll see you on the next time. And then we'll just, like I said, yeah, be sending out another follow-up email just to make sure everybody kind of got the leaderboard link, and just again reminding everybody of the communication channels and what's out there. So we will see you all next time.
Yeah, yeah, we will see you again.